What is going on, everyone? Stefan here from firealarm.com with a huge announcement. Firealarm.com is very proud to present to you a revolutionary way for commercial buildings, campuses, industrial sites, and government-owned facilities to save an incredible amount of money on maintaining their fire alarm systems. Introducing our smoke detector match service, designed by firealarm.com's officers directly for you. Match is very simple. Say you have 30 smoke detectors and have 5 duct detectors that, as per code, all require maintenance, cleaning, and testing. Our brand new match service will provide you with exactly the same amount of devices that you already have in order to swap out your existing devices. Instead of wasting precious time on cleaning and testing each and every one of your devices, and expending funds unnecessarily on technician manpower, programming, etc., our match service will simply switch out your dirty devices that require cleaning with factory fresh devices. By using our match service, we anticipate you saving an estimated 70% of the price of performing regular maintenance on your building's fire alarm system. Rest assured, as your existing devices will be removed, placed in protective cartons, and taken back to our testing facilities, where they will be cleaned and tested in accordance with the manufacturer's and code requirements. They will then be ready to be reinstalled during your next regularly scheduled maintenance. Once your next maintenance rolls around, our match procedure will be done in reverse, and your original, now clean and tested devices will be reinstalled, working just like new. Look at all the steps it takes to carry out traditional smoke and duct detector maintenance. Now, with firealarm.com's match service, the maintenance process barely takes 2 steps. And that's it. By installing a brand new head, your match head will automatically conform to your system's sequence of operations and will be automatically tested and good to go. The advantages you will have by utilizing firealarm.com's match service will be incomparable to any other fire alarm service ever created before. Here are just a small list of the benefits that firealarm.com's match service will give you. Your building's personnel, occupants, and operations will not be disturbed in any way, as opposed to the disturbances caused by regular on-site cleaning and testing. All of the unnecessary technical labor wasted in accessing, cleaning, and testing each device on site is eliminated. Firealarm.com will store your original devices for you, or after our cleaning and testing procedures, we can return your devices for you to store at no additional cost. Simply email us at services@firealarm.com or give us a call, and we'll work with you to create a custom-tailored quote for you and your system and get things maintained the matched way. Join the fire alarm system maintenance revolution today, right here at firealarm.com. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future firealarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.